Get on the ground. There you go. Oh, there you go.
Put everybody back.
The police are meant to uphold justice, but when they lose integrity, they become a threat to the community.
All right, anything else I can help you guys with?
We
You're just gonna stand around and get paid?
Yeah, sure.
You're just gonna stand around and get paid, brother?
Join us as we explore the corrupt police officers and the severe consequences they face. On January 20th, 2024, Officer Robert Anderson, newly hired at the Western Washington University Police Department, was participating in field training when an unusual incident occurred.
Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now. Lay on your belly.
Put your hands behind your back.
X-ray 22 Western. X-ray 11 has one in custody.
The confrontation began when Officer Anderson, still in training, and another officer caught a homeless man breaking into Anderson's private vehicle. Despite being new on the job, Anderson actively participated in the arrest. However, his emotional investment in the situation led to decisions that would later have serious consequences.
No, it ain't your bad. It's you, dog. Huh? I got confused to it. You ain't got confused or nothing. You got something that belonged to you.
No, I thought it was a different truck.
That's a cop's ride.
What?
That's a cop's ride if you touch him.
Whoa, man.
Take it easy. No, I'm not taking it easy. Shut up.
F you, man.
Shut up.
Hey!
Shut up.
What? What are you gonna do about it?
That's my ride, man.
What are you gonna do about it?
What's your dog's name?
Desna. He just hit me in the face.
Come here.
You guys have camcorders on?
Yep, the recorder's on.
Okay. You wanna hit me again?
Sit.
So I'm gonna file a lawsuit.
You
for
sure
that.
can.
Yeah.
Get up.
Nope, I can't get up.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up. I got you. Stand up.
Can't.
Stand up.
Bro, I can't.
Stand up.
Trouble.
During the search, Anderson struck the handcuffed man in the face. The man, already distressed, responded with racist remarks and complained about his treatment. The incident was recorded on body camera, showing Anderson admitting to his act of aggression.
You follow what he says and then we'll talk.
He punched me in the face, bro. You see it in my eye.
I did hit you. That's what I did.
Yeah, you did.
Sit down.
Not
Put your
moral.
feet in there.
Sit down.
Put your feet in
Put your
there.
feet in.
And sit down.
That's not moral. You're gonna close the door,
Yes,
though.
sir.
Let's seatbelt him in so he
That's
doesn't...
moral and moral, bro. Fucking funk ass.
No.
You're a fucking bitch ass, aren't you? Sucking just a fucking bitch ass, aren't you? That's what you are, huh?
Turn around. Turn around.
What?
Turn around. Thank you very much. Turn around.
What?
Turn around.
What are you gonna do?
Are you done?
What are you gonna do?
Are you done?
You're gonna call me.
Are you
What
done?
are you gonna do? You're just
Sir.
Are you gonna assault me again? You gonna assault me again?
The suspect, showing signs of severe discomfort and difficulty breathing, prompted concern from the officers. Fearing a potential broken collarbone, an ambulance was called to the scene. Paramedics assessed his condition and decided to transport him to the hospital for further medical evaluation and treatment.
I'm going to deal with this guy. Let's see. I don't think I've dealt with him before. Do we have ID on him yet?
All this stuff is there on the floor.
Okay.
What's he hitting the thing with? His head? His head, yeah.
Can you stop doing that, please?
No, because that officer, he hit me in the face.
Okay,
Yes, I did.
We're gonna need to seatbelt you in.
No, I'm not letting that. Are you?
Enough.
Can't have you slamming your head.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Help! Help me!
Following the incident, the Bellingham Police Department conducted an internal review, which led to a criminal investigation by the Mount Vernon Police Department.
It hurts. I'm on health issues. I'm on methadone.
Do you need medical at all, sir?
I might because of the way you
Straight
drop me to the ground.
Please.
We'll get medical on you so I can check you out, sir.
You fucking camera. You fucking You're not supposed to do that, man. Just shoot me. Oh, you! You!
So I'm on your legs,
Okay.
and I'm on your butt. Okay, I'm not on your torso.
Okay.
And I want you to take a deep breath,
Okay.
and I want you to relax.
Okay, I'm trying to with that guy.
The investigation was subsequently forwarded to the county prosecutor's office.
I can have you sit back in the vehicle if you're not going to smack your head around in there.
No, I don't want to be in there.
Were you able to do a decent search on him or no?
Yeah, I got all the stuff on him. You can search him again.
Okay, I want to make sure he doesn't have any of your stuff.
There's some of the stuff he has on.
I don't. Stop fucking hurting me, though.
Oh, I'm not hurting you. I'm just checking your
He's not
pockets.
hurting you. You know he's not.
Okay?
Yeah.
Get your left foot.
Ow! Don't pull me like that!
I was sitting you up so you could puke.
My handcuffs.
Not by your handcuffs.
The handcuffs are too tight or what? You need them loosened?
Yes, they're tiny.
Lean forward and I'm trying to loosen these cuffs for you. You can throw up? Go ahead and throw up.
You like me in misery.
You don't like seeing what now?
You like seeing people like me
Picture
in
822 Western.
misery.
No, we don't like seeing anyone in misery.
No.
Earlier, Bellingham dealt with this person with a husky. Can
Yeah.
you call them and find out?
Officer Anderson's actions during the arrest of a homeless man violated RCW 9A.36.041 assault in the 4th degree, which addresses the unlawful use of physical force that results in bodily harm or offensive contact. In Washington state, this charge is considered a gross misdemeanor, punishable by up to 364 days in jail and a fine of up to $5,000. From a legal perspective, law enforcement officers are subject to stringent standards regarding the use of force. Under RCW 10.93.020, officers are permitted to use force only when it is reasonable and necessary under the specific circumstances they face. Anderson's decision to punch a handcuffed suspect without justifiable cause represents a significant departure from these legal standards, leading to his subsequent criminal charges. It's important to note that the law holds officers accountable for any misuse of their authority, ensuring that the force they apply is proportionate to the situation. Excessive force, especially on a restrained individual, is a clear violation of both legal and ethical standards. These laws are in place to protect citizens from abuse of power, ensuring that those who enforce the law are also subject to it, thereby upholding the principles of justice and accountability.
You!
So I'm on your legs,
Okay.
and I'm on your butt.
Okay.
I'm not on your torso.
Okay.
And I want you to take a deep breath,
Okay.
and I want you to relax.
Okay, I'm trying to with that guy. He's looking.
I understand.
Excessive force,
I
bro.
understand.
You guys don't believe him. Don't believe me. You hit me, dog. You hit me. It's on your body cam.
Yes, and I admitted to it too. You know, don't steal from my ride, man.
Huh?
That's my vehicle you broke into. I ain't too happy about it.
Yeah, and that's for assault? Okay. Shoot me.
Well, we don't want to do that.
Why? Obviously he does.
I can have you sit back in the vehicle if you're not going to smack your head around in there.
Lesson learned. Violence and misconduct by law enforcement are unacceptable. We must ensure that all individuals, especially those vulnerable, are treated fairly and humanely.
Nobody's gonna do that.
Actually, 11 medics is on scene. We got medics here to check on you.
No.
You said you were in pain. You had feeling certain kind of way, weren't you?
Yeah, I guess, but...
We're not medical professionals, so we have someone who...
Can I take my dog with me with them?
What's that?
They usually let me.
Well, let's see what they have for you at this point.
Okay. You guys really enjoy this, huh?
Actually, we really don't.
No.
No.
We don't.
This is not something we really want to get into, but this is what you call, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you like...
Don't move now, stop now. Man, bust stop. Bust it, man. Get on the ground. You heard my back. Get on the ground, bro. Man. Kill me. Man. Get on the ground. There you go. Jolie.
Around midnight on May 29th, police stopped Solomon E. Smith while he was walking on Commercial Highway 98 in Springfield. Although the police explained that they did not recognize Solomon and the area was not known for criminal activity, stopping him without an arrest warrant or evidence of a crime was a violation of his personal freedoms.
3200 block of...
What I did now?
Huh?
What I did?
I don't know. What are you
I
doing?
did. I'm just walking, going home. My place is down the road. I'm not bothering nobody.
Okay.
I left my ID at home.
Okay, well, just give me your name.
Man, why fuck?
We're not harassing nobody.
I'm just doing my job. I'm walking down the road, minding my business. I ain't bothering nobody.
It's 12 o'clock at night, and when we see people out that we don't recognize, we get out. Give her your name and your date of birth.
My name is Solomon E. Smith III. I'm not finna be bothered with this stuff. I'm not doing nothing, sir. I'm minding my business. I don't bother nobody. I'm quiet. I stick to myself.
Mr.
Okay.
Eastman, how do I spell your first name?
The police had no reasonable grounds to stop Solomon, as he had not broken any laws. Stopping him arbitrarily and demanding personal information without a warrant or clear justification violated Solomon's rights.
I don't know who you are.
I got to clean the work.
Okay, I don't know who you are. You're out here walking.
I'm minding my business though.
Okay,
I ain't hurt nobody.
Okay.
I'm not doing that to nobody. I ain't hurt nobody. I ain't commit no crime. Why are y'all coming at me like that?
Because
I'm not doing that.
it's 12 o'clock at night, and at 12 o'clock at night...
That's the problem.
Okay.
That's why you can't do me
Okay.
like that.
Whether you believe this or not, you're in the area that's known for a lot of drug activity and prostitution. So I don't know who you are. So I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna identify you, and you can go home and do whatever you want to do.
I'm not for the argue with y'all because it takes too long. I got clean work. I'm not for the argue.
All right.
I don't like people all in my business.
Solomon refused to cooperate and repeatedly resisted. He insisted that he had done nothing wrong and just wanted to go home, while asking the police not to treat him roughly. Solomon may have had difficulty understanding the situation due to his developmental disorder.
So, Mr. Smith, why did you tell me your last name was Eastman?
What? He didn't give us the right name? What's his name?
His name is Solomon Smith.
Yeah, but you ain't asked me all that.
All right, turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around.
Will you give me a chance?
No.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Man.
Yes. Turn around now.
Why you doing me like that?
Turn around.
Why you doing this to me?
Turn around now.
I'm gonna call the people on you. I got people that would do something to you.
Okay, that's
Don't
fine.
hit me.
Turn around.
If you work with me, I will tell you the truth.
I'm tired of talking to you.
Please give me a chance.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home.
After Solomon refused to cooperate, Officer Nelson instructed him to turn around and put his hands behind his back. When Solomon still refused, Nelson applied excessive force, including pulling and assaulting Solomon without any legitimate reason.
Turn around.
Jody.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind.
He gonna talk to you.
No, he ain't.
He is my good people. Jody, come here.
Turn around.
He gonna take me home, please.
No.
Please. Listen, I'm not.
I said turn.
With you.
I said turn around.
Don't move now. Stop now. Get on the ground. There you go. Jolie, come get me.
Give me your other hand.
Please.
Hold on.
It hurt my feet, man.
Well, you wouldn't be hurting if you stopped resisting.
I'm trying to get home, please.
Nelson was investigated for misconduct, including assault and falsifying a report. His actions not only violated the rights of the citizen, but also breached police procedures. Smith, despite being stopped without legal cause, became a victim of this wrongful conduct.
Man, please let me talk to you, sir. Can I talk to you, sir? Please.
Brother, you had your chance to talk.
I'm trying to tell y'all the truth, though.
Taser deployed. Blackmail.
Let me get up, then. You hurt my feet. You hurt my feet. Let me pull my pants off.
We're gonna pull them up for you.
Listen, will you please talk to me? Will you please listen, till I talk to you.
Brother, you had the chance to talk.
I'm trying to tell
Why
you.
did you have to go this route?
I'm sorry. So you gotta believe me, I'm sorry.
I believe that you're sorry, Bubba.
I'm sorry. I would've told them the truth. If they would've let me tell them.
Is that hurting?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
It's right here in the front. It's stuck in his shirt.
I'm sorry.
Set up, drink up.
I'm sorry.
Can I have EMS this location and check him out, please?
I got pliers.
Routine. You can, whenever we get done, you can put him in the back of our car.
From a legal perspective, several key laws were violated during the incident involving Officer Ronnie Nelson and Solomon E. Smith III. First and foremost, the officer's actions contravened the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. Under Terry v. Ohio, a stop must be based on reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, there was no reasonable suspicion, nor was there any probable cause to justify Solomon's detention. In Florida, this violation is addressed under Florida Statutes Chapter 901, Arrest and Prosecution, which outlines that arrests and detentions must be based on probable cause, and failure to comply can result in legal challenges to any subsequent actions or arrests. Next, Officer Nelson's use of excessive force during the encounter violated Florida Statutes, Section 776.05, which governs the use of force by law enforcement officers. According to this statute, officers are permitted to use force only when it is reasonable and necessary to make an arrest or defend themselves or others. Nelson's actions were grossly disproportionate to the resistance presented by Solomon, especially considering the circumstances and the fact that Solomon did not pose a threat to the officers. Excessive force can lead to criminal charges under Florida Statutes, Chapter 784, assault and battery, with penalties ranging from misdemeanor battery to felony assault, depending on the severity of the injury and intent. If proven to be excessive, this could result in both civil liability and criminal penalties for Officer Nelson. After the incident, Officer Nelson falsified a police report, claiming that Solomon had attempted to punch a rookie officer. This was entirely false, and the fabrication of the report made the situation even more serious. The case is still under investigation to clarify Officer Nelson's misconduct. Nelson has been charged with both felony and misdemeanor assault placed on unpaid leave and is awaiting the outcome of the investigation, which may lead to his termination. An officer at the University of New Mexico might assume that all students lack knowledge of the law.
Alright, anything else I can help you guys with?
No,
You're just gonna stand around and get paid?
Yeah, sure.
You're just gonna stand around and get paid, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can just prove some braces. I'm gonna get complaints on both of your asses.
Okay.
And Chief Donovan's gonna know about this shit, cause he knows who I am.
Chief Donovan knows you.
Chief Donovan knows who I am.
Okay, very good.
Alright?
Appreciate it.
Fucked up, for real.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, and did you find anything with that ID, brother? Did you find out if there's alcohol in here or not with that ID? Nah? So what the fuck
You
was
denied
the
us
point?
consent, so that's fine.
I didn't
Like
give you
I- like I
consent.
tried-
You could-
exactly.
Even if you could, you wouldn't.
So
If you
we're not
could, you
gonna
would've
argue with you. Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
get the fuck out of here.
On September 14th, 2023, in Las Cruces, New Mexico, an anonymous call to the New Mexico State University, MIMSU, Police department reported that 19-year-old student Joel Martinez was carrying a case of beer into his dorm room. Officer Pearl was dispatched to investigate this information.
Oh, sorry. How can I help you?
Is there anyone else in here?
No, it's just me.
Okay. You mind just opening the door, that way I can see?
You trying to...
I just want to make sure there's no one else in there to start, and then I'll talk to you about
Oh, no, there's no one in there right now.
So I'm going to be honest with you. So we got a report that you were seen walking into your dorm with alcohol.
I don't answer questions. What's your name and your badge number?
Officer Brown.
Title and name?
Security officer.
You have an ID with you?
I do.
Okay, can I see it?
You suspect me of a crime?
I do. Possession of alcohol. We got a report that you were walked in.
So it's like here that they said thing? It's like they said that he has? And that's how you're gonna articulate it? Well, I really don't, but like I'm studying right now. I'm doing homework. That there's alcohol in this room.
Okay.
Oh, they saw me going into this room, and that there's alcohol in there.
When Officer Pearl arrived, he knocked on Martinez's dorm room door. Martinez began recording the encounter on video. The police asked Martinez to open the door for a search, but he refused and requested the officer's name and badge number.
Sergeant John Lovelace. My badge number is 212.
212. All right, thank you. Possible yes or no? I need that ultimatum, or else I won't give my ID. I need you to tell me if you don't give me your ID right now, I'm gonna arrest you.
Why would I say that to you? Yes.
And I have the right to say no, because you're asking. It's not a lawful order.
I need to see your ID.
Okay, and if not?
And if not, you could be considered...
Because New Mexico statute says that concealing of identity is a secondary charge. I would have to have been arrested or suspected of a crime. No. I don't answer questions. On what grounds?
Okay, so you don't have any alcohol in your possession?
On what grounds? Yes, sir. They're trying to go in, bro. They're trying to ID me and shit, but nah.
The police asked Martinez to provide identification to verify his identity, but Martinez did not cooperate and demanded that the officer provide proof of suspicion before giving any information. The police claimed they suspected Martinez had alcohol in the room, but Martinez criticized this as lacking reasonable grounds.
What we are trying to do is we're trying to be cooperative with you and have you be cooperative with us and help us clear this matter up.
You don't need my last name and you do not need my date of birth unless you want to run me for it, unless you want to run my name through your system. I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. I'm asking questions. I don't. It's my Fifth Amendment. Is it or is it not?
So the question is that like the officer told you, you're being suspected of having possession of alcohol underage. Either somebody saw you carry a case of beer. You have a case of beer in your possession?
I don't answer questions.
So the next step in this process would be, would you give us consent to check your room possession?
No, I do not consent to any searches nor seizures.
Okay, very good. This is completely up to you how you want to play this.
You could get a warrant?
Now we do have reasonable suspicion that possibly a crime had been committed.
I know.
But we need to ID you. I'm giving you the opportunity to...
No, I need that ultimatum. I will give you my ID if you say that I'm going to go get arrested. If you say that, yes, sir. Because that's already grounds for me to set up litigation against you.
That's what you just said.
It's not a threat.
It gives you grounds.
It's not a threat. It gives me grounds. Does it or does it not?
When Martinez refused to provide identification, Officer Pearl warned that he could be arrested for concealing identity under New Mexico law. The police stated that this would be a crime if Martinez did not provide his information.
And to make this clear, I'm detained right now, right?
You have to stay over here.
No, I can't. I'm in your view.
I'm telling you, you need to stay over here.
Oh, let me take my hand on... Keep recording, Sean. Don't let him intimidate you. Oh, let me take my hand on my pocket.
Thank you.
There's two guys right here with Glocks and scared of a 19-year-old with the phone.
That's just
do you see something in my pocket?
Okay, well, we would like for you to do that for us, just to be cooperative.
Oh, just
okay?
to be cooperative? Like, just
Come on,
like for you to say... Are you Googling the laws right now? Because that's really what you should be doing right now. All right, cool.
You okay with that?
Yeah, continue reading.
Are you sure you're okay with that? Yeah. I appreciate it.
Okay, so just tell me that if I don't give you the ID, you're going to arrest me. Just say it.
Or we will be arrested.
Thank you. Y'all got that right?
Yeah. Why do you use that term?
Because why the fuck are you searching my shit? Like,
we're not searching.
No, is it or is it not?
It's not a seizure.
It's a seizure of my identification, yes or no?
We just need to see who you are.
Today or did not?
Your legal name.
My legal name?
Your first name.
He has my ID. Go look at it.
Perfect. That's all we needed. Thank you.
The police requested that Martinez provide his identity and agree to a search of the room, but Martinez refused, demanding a search warrant or legal cause. Although the police stated they had reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, they did not have sufficient grounds to obtain a warrant to search the room.
if we really wanted to push the issue, we could stop and lock the room down and get a search warrant. It's really kind of one of those things that's up in the air. We don't want to do that.
Thanks a lot for that. Thanks.
Okay, the case number is 2023. You guys need anything else?
Not right now.
My name's Officer Pirtle. My badge number is 202.
Hi.
Stand right here.
Just listening.
202.
Yeah, you're listening? Mm-hmm. All right. Anything else I can help you guys with?
No,
You're just gonna stand around and get paid?
Yeah, sure.
You're just gonna stand around and get paid, brother?
Okay.
And Chief Donovan's gonna know about this shit, because he knows who I am.
Chief Donovan knows you.
Chief Donovan knows who I am.
Okay.
Did you find out if there's alcohol in here or not with that ID? Nah. So what the fuck
You
was
denied
the
us
point?
consent, so we're not gonna argue with you. Have a nice
Get
day.
the fuck out of here.
Well, this is actually a common area, so we're allowed to be here.
Yes, I
Why
paid
are
you
you
for something.
doing this?
Fuck out of here. Because you fucking got my ID for no fucking reason.
From a legal perspective, several laws were potentially violated during this encounter, specifically concerning reasonable suspicion, concealing identity, and unreasonable search and seizure. Under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, law enforcement officers must have reasonable suspicion to stop and question an individual. In this case, the officer's reliance on an anonymous tip about Mr. Martinez possessing alcohol may not have been sufficient to establish reasonable suspicion. As per the landmark case Florida v. J.L. 2000, an anonymous tip alone does not provide the necessary factual foundation for reasonable suspicion unless it is corroborated by independent evidence or predictive information. Additionally, in State v. Aguilar 2021, the New Mexico Court of Appeals reinforced that officers need reasonable suspicion to detain and question an individual. Since the anonymous tip provided limited information and lacked significant corroboration, the officers may have violated Mr. Martinez's Fourth Amendment rights by detaining him without lawful justification. Furthermore, New Mexico law section 302(23) criminalizes concealing identity when it obstructs or hinders a public officer's duties, but this statute applies only when officers have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Without reasonable suspicion, Mr. Martinez had a valid legal argument that he was not required to identify himself, and the threat of arrest for concealing identity was likely a violation of his constitutional rights. Lastly, the Fourth Amendment also prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures, and New Mexico law NM. Stat. 31211 requires a warrant to be issued only when there is probable cause to believe a crime has occurred or evidence is present. Since the officers had only an unverified tip with no substantial corroborating evidence, their consideration of searching Mr. Martinez's dorm room without probable cause or a warrant could be viewed as another violation of his Fourth Amendment rights.
I'm on the east side.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk back by here in just a minute. So, okay, I'm gonna go back by.
Sounds good.
I'm over on the other side. I will call the deputy. I will call the chief real quick and just let him know.
Sounds good.
That supposedly there's gonna be a complaint on us. So
Joel Martinez.
Joel Martinez.
Arrest her ass,
Okay.
man. Here goes a friend.
Huh?
Jesus.
Are you going back to the office? Or...
Yeah, I'm headed back that way.
Okay.
So I'll go call the chief real quick and let him know.
No, para la water. No, because we need to change the,
Excuse me, guys.
put the electric union on it. And we can get.
After being unable to convince Martinez to provide information, the officers left the dorm room without taking further legal action. Martinez stated he would file a complaint and may sue the police for violating his rights. The officers were assessed as having remained calm and handled the situation professionally, but the request for identification in this context may not have been reasonable. Following this, the officer from the Flagler Police Department believed he could fabricate evidence against the man who had no knowledge of the law.
While I was speaking before you cut me off, I was explaining you were on a traffic stop. I believe you were inside of a vehicle. That is part of.
Nothing to do with it.
Okay. Do you want me to give you a logical reason, or you want to keep talking over me?
No, I want you to give me the law.
I'm
pull someone else's ID, and I should request.
You asked for a logical reason, and I'm explaining.
The police in Flagler County, Florida, conducted a traffic stop related to a seatbelt violation. This is the opening segment of a video focused on the movement to monitor police behavior, aimed at encouraging law enforcement to respect civil rights and fully understand the laws they enforce.
Okay. Hey, can I have yours too? You're not wearing your seatbelt. I need your license. You speak English? Does he speak English?
Ask him, bro. Like, I'm the one driving, bro. Like,
all right, cool. 214 Fargo. Sussex 902. Hey man, I need your name. Passenger. I need your name. You do have the right to remain silent, but you have to identify yourself on a traffic stop.
The police stopped the vehicle because the passenger was not wearing a seatbelt and asked the driver for identification. However, under Florida law, only the driver or passengers in the front seat over the age of 18 are required to provide identification when violating the law, and the man in question was not directly violating any law.
You're not. You want to go to jail for this, bro? You're gonna go to jail for this, really? You have a warrant or something? So what is the issue? What rights are those? You are a passenger, but you're required to wear your seatbelt in the front seat of a vehicle. I mean, you really want me to take you to jail for something so foolish? I'm doing my job. I'm doing my job. He's not wearing his seatbelt, and you're not wearing your seatbelt. So now, dude, you're really about to... All right.
When the passenger refused to provide information, the police used threatening language without clearly explaining the citizen's rights. The passenger asserted that he was not in violation of the law, but the police did not explain the regulations and simply threatened arrest.
I will. All right, step out. Put everybody back. Under arrest. If you don't got no warrants, no probation, you really gonna go to jail for some bull job? All right.
You know it's bull job, bro. And I ain't commit no crime.
You did. You're free to identify.
I'm not driving.
All right, well, then you sue me and sue the agency. Don't worry, it'll be on the arrest report. All right, there's nothing in the back of my car. Anything that you have that I didn't find is that found at the jail will be a felony charge, all right? Get in, please.
Can you give them my...
Get in. Whose truck?
Even though the passenger was not the one violating traffic laws, the police still decided to arrest him. This is a severe misconduct by the police because they had no reasonable grounds to request the passenger's identification or arrest him. The passenger was not involved in any traffic violation and has the right to refuse to provide personal information if he is not suspected of committing a crime.
this is the company's truck, bro. Hey man, this might be a crazy value.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Deputy Mr. Fly County.
I'm just, I know he has to take care of him, but I just asked him because I'm at work and everything. Do I have to like sit until he has to take him to jail? Yeah. He never took my registration or anything. I asked him what we were doing.
You got insurance?
Yes, everything. Yes, the insurance and the registration.
Do you have an ID?
Yeah, I don't see a real need just for you guys to have my ID. I wouldn't break any laws or anything. I mean, I give it to you, but then as soon as you guys run my name, you put go.
What system for it? I really don't have any idea.
I'm sure you do, but there's no need for me. No problem. I'm saying need for you guys to have to run my name, right? I mean, what? You could give me a logical reason of why you would need to run my name. There
are you inside of a vehicle that is?
I wasn't. They had a traffic infraction. They weren't wearing their seatbelts. But if you could give me a logical reason other than that, just other than being in a vehicle, and that's not a legitimate reason.
Okay, while I was speaking before you cut me off, I was explaining you are on a traffic stop. I believe you are inside of a vehicle that is part of.
Nothing to do with it.
Okay, do you want me to give you a logical reason, or you want to keep talking over me?
No, I want you to give me the law, that's a request.
You asked for a logical reason, and I'm explaining.
You requested, and I denied your request.
After arresting the man, the police officer tried to create confusion about the next passenger, but his actions seemed futile, as the passenger clearly had a better understanding of the law than the corrupt officer himself.
I'm not going to run circles. You asked for a logical reason. I'm trying to provide it, but you rudely cut me off.
Useful, sir. I did no crimes.
You didn't even get to hear me yet.
I know what I did and didn't do.
Okay.
So, like I said, I know the law. And I'm back here, I'm minding my own business. This is his traffic stop. He's the driver, not my traffic stop. So you got to know what you're talking about.
Oh, I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this job a long time.
You can't request my ID in the back seat of a car just because I'm in the vehicle.
I don't know, I mean, rear passenger's not required to wear it.
I know, he's just arguing in his seatbelts and all that.
Wait until they put him in.
Do you have your driver's license back? Did you get your ticket?
Again, I'm at work and shit.
So we all good? I mean, so I don't...
Did he get the ticket yet?
No, I'm just saying, between me and you, we all good. You don't need my ID, right?
I'm not going to keep running circles.
No, I'm just saying, you either, because I need a lawsuit, I'm just letting you know. If you're going to ask me or something like that.
All right, so driver needs to be belted at all times.
I understand.
Front passenger needs to be belted at all times. I'll do the paperwork.
I didn't know that one. That's interesting.
Yeah. But that doofy over there, he needs to be wearing his seatbelt. And we can ask him.
And I can request denied, right?
Yeah, we can ask.
That's why I was trying to make sure that I was good with him.
All right, it's a non-moving violation, $126 fine, 30 days to pay the fine, or else your license will be suspended, or you can dispute the court. All right, man, you're all good to go. Actually, you want to take his black and mild? You can't take that to jail.
From a legal standpoint, while the officers in this incident were acting within the bounds of Florida law regarding seatbelt violations and passenger identification, there are broader considerations concerning police conduct during interactions with citizens. Under Florida statutes, Chapter 316, Section 316.614, it is a primary offense for both drivers and front seat passengers over 18 to fail to wear a seatbelt, making it a legitimate reason for a traffic stop. If a passenger is not wearing a seatbelt, officers are authorized to request identification, as reinforced by Section 322.15, which requires front seat passengers over 18 to identify themselves during such stops. Non-compliance can lead to arrest. However, questions arise regarding police misconduct if officers overstep their bounds or display unprofessional behavior, as seen in the officer's dismissive remarks and the arrest of the passenger for refusing to identify. The officer's attitude could potentially violate Section 112.535, which mandates that law enforcement maintain professionalism and courtesy when interacting with the public. Additionally, Section 901.36 addresses the issue of detaining someone without clear legal justification beyond the seatbelt violation. While the law permits arrest for failure to provide identification, it also requires that officers act within the bounds of respect for citizens' rights, ensuring their conduct remains professional and justified at all times. The passenger could face legal consequences if he continues to resist, but in reality, it is the police who have violated the citizens' rights. Arresting someone without reasonable grounds violates civil rights and could lead to legal consequences for the police officers involved. We must be aware of our rights and ensure law enforcement follows the law. Police abuse of power is unacceptable and citizens should protect their rights legally. This article discusses a police encounter where a driver faced aggressive interrogation after being pulled over. The sequence of events reveals the tensions between citizens and law enforcement officers, exploring the driver's legal responses and the officer's reaction to perceived non-compliance.
Don't move. I ain't moving. What's up?
Can you unlock it?
Huh? Reach right there. Man, just
Don't worry about
there.
it. You keep your freaking hands out the window and shut your mouth. I'll figure it out. Yeah. He's riding.
What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
What is going?
Come on, you gonna buckle me? I'm chilling. What's up? I'm chilling. What's up? I'm chilling, officer. I'm cool. I'm doing that. Look at me. I'm doing that. What's up? Oh man, I ain't resisting. Y'all wildin'. Come on, y'all wildin'. I ain't doing shit now. Come on. Okay. Y'all wildin'. What I did? Act like you didn't want to stop. What you mean? I got put up in the safe spot. Okay. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
The police stop the driver and immediately issue aggressive commands for compliance, including ordering him to put his hands out the window.
How's it going, gentlemen? Put your foot on the ground. You smoke hemp or not?
What you mean? What's that?
All right, sounds good.
What's up with this?
Keep your feet out.
Something he has, or was that you? That sound?
I don't know. What was that?
Is that something he has, or was that you? That sound?
I heard it.
Wasn't sound. Thought it was coming from him or you.
Do you have an alarm or something on you?
Huh?
You have an alarm or something on you?
No. I got a valid driver's license. I don't think it's been no crime.
Sure you don't. Are you trying to be safe? You're trying to find a safe spot for you or for me?
For both of us.
No, you don't get to do that.
Okay, that's understandable.
You can make a claim that you're trying to make a safe spot for you. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
All right.
The police officers ask if the driver has been smoking marijuana. They proceed to question him about his driver's license and the legality of his actions while displaying frustration with his responses.
You see all those street lights down there?
I understand what you're saying,
So
but
why is this spot more well lit than down there?
I mean, what was so detrimental between me stopping right there and stopping right here? I just told you that. I just told you that. Why would
There's
I
a lot
want to
of
stop
moving around in that car.
You just looked in it. The windows down, put my driver's license, my registration out the window. That's the shit y'all supposed to ask when y'all first pull somebody over, right? Y'all ain't none of that. Come on, I'm not supposed to stop a law-abiding citizen.
Shut your mouth. Don't get all fucking loud with me. They ain't gonna change nothing.
Hey,
here.
I'm just talking. I'm having a conversation with you, right?
Because what you did is called fail to obey. It's a fleeing charge and it's a felony 3.
Okay.
If you'd like to go to jail on a felony charge, I'm good with it. So why didn't you stop?
You just snatched me out my car. I rolled the windows down and gave my license, my registration. You ain't read me no right. You snatched me out the car.
You're damn right I did.
I don't know. I had the slightest idea.
How about because? How many different sirens did I turn on?
Listen, I'm a black man in America.
I'm asking you a question.
I'm terrified of the police.
Mr. Black Man, I'm asking you a question. How many different sirens did I turn on? And how many times did I lay on my horn?
I had the slight. When you said pull over, I pulled over.
The officers expressed skepticism regarding the driver's decision to find a safe spot to stop, accusing him of non-compliance and labeling his behavior as a felony fleeing offense.
Was the seat pushed down like that?
No, we opened it to see if you could. I have his 944 up. I'll call and do a nationwide.
Yeah, that'd be nationwide because he ain't got much here.
No.
He was definitely moving around and I saw his head ducking down a little bit. I thought that if anything it'd be under on the passenger side floorboard or the driver's side floorboard.
Yeah.
Just because but that was only whenever I finally put like lights in his back window.
The holster? Yeah, like it feels up against his body now, you know what I mean? I guess the...
Why do you keep it in the trunk?
I wasn't going nowhere, you know what I'm saying? So I'm headed home, so I just leave it in the trunk. Yeah.
Well, I get that. I mean, I agree with that. I agree with carrying for protection, but if it's in the trunk...
It's within the legal limit also. But when I need it, like I said,
Did you put it back there whenever we were behind you?
No, how?
I asked you a simple question.
Right.
I'm a police officer. If I see something suspicious...
But why would I give y'all the reason to take me to jail when I know I'm within my legal limit?
Okay, so exactly. So you would say you're not going to say the thing that might get you in trouble,
I'm going to
right?
tell you the truth. The truth is it was in the trunk.
Fair enough.
The conversation shifts towards the legal status of the firearm found in the vehicle. The officers interrogate the driver about whether he has a concealed weapon permit and whether he violated state gun laws.
Where'd you buy the firearm?
Pawn shop on Atlantic Boulevard.
In the store?
Yeah, pawn shop.
You did the paperwork?
Yeah, it might be in the car.
Okay. When'd you get it?
It's been within a year.
Okay. So you did all the paperwork, the background check and everything?
Yeah.
So why would they, how come you can buy a gun but you can't have a CWL?
Hey, so what's the process of buying a gun, right? You go through the background. I've bought guns my whole life, bro. I'm a veteran. I'm served 10 years in the military.
Why wouldn't you be able to get CWL is what I'm trying to get.
But why is that an issue if I'm within my legal limit? That's what I don't understand.
Because I'm wondering if you're a prohibited possessor or just prohibited from purchasing or from what?
I
know. You don't need to know what it means. I know what it means.
Right or wrong, right?
I know what it means. You don't need to know what it means. I'm just trying to ask questions to determine which category you fall in.
Why, if I'm within my legal limit, why does any of that matter?
What is legal limit?
If I can purchase a firearm, I can ride with it in my vehicle, right? If it's in the trunk.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
That's the law I studied, the Florida gun law. That's the law I abide by.
The driver insists that his actions comply with the state's firearm regulations, explaining that the gun was stored in the trunk as required by law.
Do you mind if I ask questions to verify that?
Of course.
Okay, cool. So you did the background check, right? And you purchased it, but when you did a background check for the CWL, they said no.
Well, I don't understand where these questions going. Like, it's
all right.
Roll it up.
I'm just gonna get the tent. Front good?
However, the officers question his eligibility to carry the weapon, hinting at discrepancies between his ability to buy a firearm and his inability to obtain a concealed weapon permit CWP.
Wait, so I can take these off? Put your shoes on. Alright, you can come over here to the front. Alright, here's the deal. So my traffic program is messed up, so I can't write a ticket right now. And we have gunshots down the road that I'm going to go respond to. So those two reasons are getting you out of the ticket tonight, okay? Your front windows are too dark though in your windshield, just so you know. Huh? Where you left it.
Despite their accusations, the officers opt not to issue a serious citation or arrest, revealing inconsistencies in their actions and leaving the driver with only a fix-it ticket for tinted windows. This abrupt change undermines their previous claims about his dangerous behavior. The officers' actions in this case raise serious concerns under Ohio law, specifically Org 29-2145 interfering with civil rights, which prohibits public officials from depriving individuals of their constitutional rights under color of law. Their intimidation, threats, and dismissal of the driver's lawful behavior reflect a misuse of authority. A violation of this law is a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine. Additionally, the officer's unjustified threats of felony fleeing may violate Org 290503 coercion, which criminalizes using threats to unlawfully control another's actions. If found guilty, the officers could face up to 12 months in prison and fines of $2,500. These violations highlight the need for accountability and reform to ensure lawful and respectful policing. This case serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of understanding your legal rights. Coming up next, we uncover a shocking incident, exposing unexpected police errors. On September 4, 2022, Michigan State Trooper Paul E. Arrowwood detained and repeatedly struck a civilian in Saginaw. He was placed on leave and arraigned on 2 criminal charges on March 3, 2023.
Alright, hold on. Time out. Stop. I ain't even doing nothing. I'm not, y'all got y'all cameras on? Yep. Please. Put your hands behind your back. Time out. Put your hands behind your back. Don't do that to me. Hey! Get out of the gun. Help! Off my fucking face, bro. I can get my hands behind my back. Why is all with my time off? Stop, man. Roll over. Time off. Why is all? Roll over, man. Time over.
The footage begins with the officers commanding the suspect to roll over, which he struggles to do. The situation becomes tense as the officers repeatedly instruct him to comply, and frustrations rise. The suspect claims cooperation, but his slow responses seem to agitate the troopers further.
Help! Wait, what my ass? Roll over! Hey! Help! I'm not gonna beat my ass like this. Hey! Roll over! Roll over!
Or you're gonna get tased.
Roll the fuck over!
Roll over and you're gonna get tased.
You little bitch! Now turn over! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your goddamn motherfucking back! Get back up underneath them. Get his hands. I got this one. Oh man, hold on! Hold on, tell me what the fuck is y'all doing? Hold on, man! No! Oh my god! Help! Help!
During the interaction, the officers accuse the man of resisting arrest, a claim he refutes multiple times. The suspect is heard saying, "I'm not resisting," even as officers physically restrain him and continue to escalate their responses.
Ass nigga! God, you a bitch! You see him with my ass, right? I ain't got no gun, never had no gun. On me, on my kids, on my fucking kids. He should beat my ass. Man, get the fuck on me, you fake ass police. You a fake ass nigga. You a bitch. You a bitch if I had no cuss up. You a racist ass bitch. You a racist ass bitch. Thank you for beating my ass. And I hope your camera was on. Here, you see this shit? Look at this shit. Help me. Help. Please stop. Bro, he whipped my ass for no fucking reason. And I had no gun. Like there was plenty of reasons. What reason? Your resistance? I never did. You're doing it right now. Never did.
At one point, the suspect mentions that she is bleeding, but the officers dismiss her injury as the confrontation continues. The aggressive language and behavior from the officers have drawn public criticism, particularly regarding the appropriateness of their actions under the circumstances.
Never did. I'm not wasted that, not that fucking bad. Yeah, my knife. I just bought it a couple days ago. Thank you. And I'm suing your bitch ass, you faggot ass bitch. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. So if y'all don't shoot me, you fake ass, gay ass nigga. Pressing charges. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Go ahead. Go ahead. And I'm bleeding too. And I'm not resisting arrest. Whose fault do you think that is? I'm not resisting arrest.
You are physically pushing back against the car right now.
No,
that is resisting.
This bitch ass nigga.
Open the door.
Want to unlock it? Hey!
White dog running on the sidewalk. Looking at the tag.
This case underscores the critical need to protect civil rights and ensure transparency in law enforcement. A fair and just society relies on mutual respect and understanding between the police and citizens. A man became the victim of a grave mistake that no one could have foreseen when a seemingly harmless encounter with the police completely turned his life upside down. What really happened in that moment? On October 16, 2021, Sylvester Hayes, a single father of 4, was stopped by Dallas police while driving to buy French toast and bacon for his children. After providing his license and informing officers of a legally registered gun in his car, what began as a routine stop quickly escalated, changing his life in ways he never anticipated.
Dallas. Okay, well, what's your information? That's it. That's all.
Damn, I'm finna go get some for my baby, something to eat.
Okay, like, hey, if you're good, sir, you're good.
Despite providing his identification, the police mistakenly confused Hayes with a domestic violence suspect who had a similar name but different spelling. The officers then ordered Hayes out of the car without offering any clear explanation. What followed were shocking actions by the officers that stunned the community.
Yeah, I'll explain it to you.
Sir, I didn't give you permission to do it.
I know. Step out. I'll explain everything.
No, sir. Tell me why. No, I didn't give you permission. I didn't give you permission to open the door.
Right now, you are being detained. Come on and step out. Hey, yeah, I was right. Come on and step out. Come on.
Son, this is kind of my people. Come on.
Come on and step out. Come on and step out. You're gonna get tased. Come on and step out.
Come on
and step out, bro. Come on and step out. Come on and step out. Come on and step out. Step out.
What are y'all? Man, hold on, bro.
Come on and step out.
Tensions escalated when police forcibly removed Hayes from his car, using a taser and pressing a knee on his neck, causing serious injuries. Instead of de-escalating, officers Guab and Harris intensified the violence. The situation worsened when more officers arrived and overreacted after finding a gun in Hayes' car.
Bro, this is my gun. Bro, this is my bro. What the Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop. Okay? What am I being detained for, man? Stop. What am I being detained for? If you let us tell you, we'll tell you. Shut up. Right now. What am I being detained for, man? Y'all don't even know y'all right now, bro. Stop. Y'all hurting me.
Leg restraint.
Y'all hurting me.
No, we're not.
You're hurting yourself right now. What are y'all doing? You are hurting yourself.
Hey, while he's down, search him.
Bro, I don't have anything.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't have anything, bro.
It's on the floorboard of the front passenger.
Bro, I don't. That is my gun. It is in my name.
Despite Hayes' continuous protests of innocence, the officers used restraints to bind his legs and placed him in the back of the police car. Numerous officers arrived to subdue him. Their failure to follow proper procedures in this incident would later come back to haunt them.
If the other 70s aren't worked out with us, 7-3, put them out with us. Put 84 out with us as well. And start us on record, please.
Stop. Get in there. Bro, y'all hurting me. Get in there. Stop.
You got cut.
Y'all hurting me.
No, we're not.
You are hurting yourself. You are hurting yourself.
Hey, while he's down, search him.
I don't have
gun in
anything.
his pocket.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't have it,
It's
bro.
on the floorboard of the front passenger.
Bro, I don't.
Hold it up.
That is my
Search him while
gun.
he's down.
It is in my name. Are you pressing my precious pockets? Stop.
Bro.
You're getting this because you're acting this way. 100%, and I'm not your okay?
Bro, y'all
this
hurting
is
me,
you
bro.
acting
You
this way.
touching my body right now. Bro.
Stop.
Oh, you a prisoner?
I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Realizing something was wrong, Officer Harris ran Hayes' driver's license.
Are you good? Y'all are in big trouble. Get him up. You good? Y'all are in big trouble. Y'all are in big trouble, man. Y'all are in big. I can't even get up, man. My what? Damn, you a black man? You gonna let them do this? Scoot back. Bro, watch your foot. Watch your feet. Bro, what the fuck?
With multiple officers responding to this scene.
What? Baby, and get the car.
Damn, you a black man? You gonna let them do this? You gonna let them do me to this? Damn, fam. Do you see how they doing me? Bro. Do you see how they? Ah! Scoot back. Scoot back. On your feet.
And his ball's right pocket. And he kept going like this too. He kept reaching.
No, I did not.
Next, Hayes yells to the officer, saying the weapon is his.
It was then that she recognized her mistake.
That's my weapon, bro. Come on, you a black man. Look how they doing, man. I got 4 kids, man. I got 4 kids at the house, man.
Weston 380. Serial number is going to be November Juliet Whiskey 8843.
The registered owner or whatever. So she does. She goes to AIS and it's a cross-reference and it pops up red. So she's like, okay. She kind of looks at it, but by that time we had already lost them. We had already gone into like the Family Dollar parking lot or whatever. The Family Dollar parking lot. So then she's searching. She finds out that the name that she put on there, whatever, was on AIS, had continuous family violence, you know, warrant. So then we get behind him up here because we see the car moving on Illinois.
In the video, 3 officers are seen discussing whether Hayes was indeed a criminal and how they might charge him. While debating the possibility of resisting arrest, one officer expressed doubt about whether Hayes had resisted. Throughout the encounter, Hayes repeatedly stated that he would fight to protect his rights.
So we catch up to it and we get up here to Southern Oaks. And he fails to signal within 100 feet from the stop sign here at Southern Oaks and Overton. And as soon as he came up here, you know, we obviously pulled him over.
Got the reason for contact.
Yeah, so I pulled up to the car and I'm like, hey man, look, you know, you got pulled over for this, this, and this. He was like, well, that's not fair because you were watching me from the other side. I was like, yeah, we were on the other side of the light. Well, you were crossing, so obviously, you know what I mean? Yeah, so then I was just like, you have your ID with you. And so he gives it to me, and obviously I handed it over to her, and she's like, Sylvester Hayes, like that's the name that was. So when I'm like, hey bro, so in order for us to be able to like fully investigate, like, because he was already acting weird, so I'm like, hey bro, like,
He was already giving him trouble. Like,
I'm like, can you just step out of the car for me? Let's go to the back of the car. And at that point he was like, for what? For what? And I'm like, bro, come on, man. And so that's whenever Reggie pulled up and we tried to get him out of the car and the flight was on.
Okay.
And then I was like,
so you got jail traffic, resisting arrest, right?
Yeah, we have failed to.
Hayes was charged with resisting arrest and unlawful possession of a weapon, leading to several days in detention. The charges were dropped after 14 months, but during that time he lost his job, his car, and was unable to provide for his family. Hayes is now seeking a trial and compensation for the damage to his life and the injuries caused by the arrest.
And then he has tickets. He had a gun in his pocket because he kept going like this.
That's why he was acting so crazy.
Because he had a pistol in his freaking pocket. And at that point, whenever we were trying to get him out of the car, Whitman was on the other side. He was like, gun, right pocket, gun. And
yeah. Okay.
So,
is he a felon?
He has not been convicted. Or no felon?
No.
We have UCW resisting.
Resisting? Okay. Resisting because...
Well, I don't know if we were going to be able to put the resisting because you can't resist detention.
So, if he's not a felon, but not convicted of one, that's any drugs in the car?
I don't know.
Y'all just searched the car?
Yeah, they haven't said anything.
Okay, that's fine.
Sylvester Hayes was wrongfully arrested and subjected to brutal treatment by police officers, potentially leading to serious violations of his constitutional rights. Specifically, the officers may have violated the 4th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures by mistakenly identifying him as another suspect without proper legal grounds. Moreover, the excessive use of force, including the deployment of a taser and kneeling on Hayes' neck, could be seen as a violation of the Eighth Amendment, which prohibits cruel and unusual punishment. Additionally, under Federal Law 42 U.S.C. SS 1983, the officer's excessive force against Hayes could result in them being sued for violating his civil rights. If the police falsely charged Hayes with unlawful possession of a weapon, despite him holding a valid license, this could also infringe on his Second Amendment right to bear arms. These violations not only seriously threaten the fundamental rights of citizens, but could also lead to strict legal repercussions for the officers involved, serving as a warning that any abuse of power may be met with appropriate legal punishment. Sylvester Hayes' case serves as a stark reminder of the unforeseen consequences when citizens' constitutional rights are violated. Society must speak out to protect justice and human rights. Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this situation? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for more engaging and informative content coming your way. Thanks for all your support.